Oops, I forgot I had a YouTube channel that people sometimes watch for whatever reason they may have. Cool, I guess. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. Welcome to the channel. You can follow me on social media, even though I only use Twitter because it's the only good one. And then you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see another video in about 2.5 months. Hello, pals! Hey, so I can't hit anything for retail that I actually want anymore. Basically any Nike SB Dunk release that comes out, I can't hit for retail, and I haven't in a pretty long time because nothing is online anymore. And well, I'm just weird in public. But anyways, today we're doing a closer look video type thing on this here. It's a box. We're not doing the actual box. It's the shoes that are not currently inside the box. But this is a Nike SB ISO box, which means in-store only. So it's shoes that release only in what they call orange label skate shops, which are shops that have just been with Nike SB and had accounts for a really long time. And it's kind of their way of saying, hey, thanks for the support and for keeping our skate brand relevant, I guess you could say. But this shoe we're gonna be looking at today is a Nike SB Dunk High ISO, pretty recent release. It's these, hold on. Chapow. It's the, I mean, they're calling it the Kentucky Dunk High, even though it's a little bit different than the actual color they used on the Kentuckys. It is a Nike SB Dunk High ISO Kentucky. I'm a big fan of this shoe, and I don't know. Let's take a closer look at the details on this shoe before we talk about it for a second. I mean, you can clearly tell, first of all, the white laces are gone because I lace swap them because I've wore these for the past 2 days because I want to wear these, so that's why I got them. Yes, I know my jeans look ridiculous. Don't care. Anything above my ankle, I really don't put any thought into, so if you're here for on-foot fit pics, leave, I guess, because I just don't care. But this is I mean, it's, here, I have my other pair. So I actually have the Dunk High in the Game Royal Kentucky colorways. This is a non-SB, this is the SB. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but if you can see, there is a slight, very, very slight difference in the tone of color. This is more of a Game Royal. This is actually, I think the box says Varsity Royal, but I mean, you can even see just head to head, the Dunk High SB is a higher cut. It's definitely got more padding. It's got just a different shape to it in general because that's the biggest difference between Nike SB Dunk Highs and regular Dunk Highs. I love this shoe. Shout out Travi. The ISO releases are generally just higher quality. They're just nicer leather, they're a little bit softer, but the build and the shape on these is absolutely phenomenal. One of the cooler aspects of these releases is the little like orange label nods, like the lace tips being orange and the orange on the tongue tag, and even the orange on the insole, which I think is just really cool. I mean, this is just a basic color blocked Dunk High, just in a better quality, I guess, of materials, you could say. Pretty much the only difference between this and like a regular Nike Dunk High Kentucky colorway is the liner is going to be white instead of blue like the regular Dunk High release is. I guess those are all valid points. I don't really know. Box price on these was $110 USD. The box label has the colorway listed as just Varsity Royal / Varsity Royal. White should be in there somewhere, but it's not. I mean, you can see if you have the ability to see color that this is just a Varsity Royal Dunk High. These fit a little bit, so these are weird. You can go true to size on Nike Dunk High SBs. Keep in mind that the Nike SB insole takes up a lot more room than a regular insole. So these are a little bit snug if you have a wide foot, especially at your forefoot, which I know I do. So it's gonna take a minute for me to break these in to where my little knuckle a little bit away from my pinky toe isn't just burning every time I wear these, but you can kind of go true to size. I would say, like, I'm a size 11 and I went with 11 on these, but I could also fit an 11.5. It would just be a tad bit too roomy, and these are just a tad bit too tight. They don't make an 11.25, which would be hilarious if they did, but I don't know about the release date on these. The release date was supposed to be February, but like every single release with every single shoe, it's pushed back or there's delays or some kind of whatever. I know Uprise, which is a skate shop here in Chicago. It's on Milwaukee in Wicker Park. I know they're an Orange Label store, and they did a release on these, a first come, first serve. Probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I was unfortunately busy walking dogs, so I was not able to get down there, but I'm pretty sure they've released in most places by now. I think current resale on these is anywhere between like 170 and 180, so it's kind of a little bit high, but for the quality comparatively, to a normal Nike SB release, and comparatively is a huge word in this sentence, is very good. I actually got these not for retail. I got them from a shop called 2 Kicks. It's 2 Kicks. It's on the screen right now. This is gonna sound like a sponsored video, but it's actually not. I've bought from 2 Kicks a couple times. I've gotten mystery boxes from 2 Kicks. Yeah, they do mystery boxes and they're actually pretty good. And the fact that he lives like right up one state north of me is pretty cool too. So I actually got these next day. I think I ended up paying $190 shipped for these, which is market, but at the same time, I got it the day after I ordered it because the dude lives close, and that's just one of the benefits of using a place like that is. I don't really know how limited these are, but I just think for the quality and just how much I really adore this silhouette and the color blocking, it was worth every penny to me. But my overall feeling on this shoe is just, I just have an affinity for this shoe because of the colorway and how it's color blocked. I'm a fan. These are probably gonna be my everydays from now on because I mean, my regular ones that I have are a little bit torched up right now, so probably time to retire those soon. But so there it is. It's the Nike SB Dunk High ISO and the Kentucky / Varsity Royal colorway. Thanks again to 2 Kicks for the hookup on these. Definitely check out 2 Kicks. His Instagram is on the screen right now. The website is on the screen right now. He does mystery boxes. I'm saying the mystery boxes he does are very good. They're in limited quantities, but they're also very good. I think he releases them randomly on Fridays, so definitely check him out. Thanks for tuning into this video. I do have a beater box that will be releasing this Friday, and then I don't know when I'm gonna do another one, but be sure to follow my dog walking thread on Twitter because it's very fun. There you go. Good shoe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if you feel like sharing them. I would say something about Reshoevn8r, but I don't really know if I'm part of the Reshoevn8r influencer team anymore because they really haven't contacted me in about 6 months. I still use it. I just don't think I'm really doing anything with them anymore. But anyways, have a good rest of your day. We'll see you Friday. Remember to take care of each other and to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Boop, boop. Bye.